Do you have a house you're tired of fixing? One with too many problems? I'll show you how I buy houses just like that with no banks, no agents, or any delays. My name is Carlton Lewis, and many times I come across a homeowner with a house that they want to sell, but it needs a lot of work. The problem is they think no one will buy a house that needs work, and that's simply not true. Now, listing it with an agent can mean inspections, repairs, and endless negotiations, but I have a different approach. My approach is I look at potential, not problems. I can pay all cash and close quickly, or I can buy using creative financing where I take over payments or structure a win-win deal. For example, I helped a seller in Metro Atlanta whose house was in foreclosure and the home needed repairs. She didn't have any money to move. I was able to purchase the home, catch up the back payments, and stop the foreclosure. It was an easy process that took less than 2 weeks, and she was able to walk away without worrying about having to do repairs or damaging her credit. Now, your life doesn't have to be falling apart, nor does your house. You can even be an out-of-town owner. I make it simple. Message me now or call 470-231-6539 if you want a private, hassle-free way to sell your home. We can go over options to get your home sold, and even if you still want to list your house, I can help you find a great agent in your local area. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more real estate advice and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And if you know someone who needs to sell their home and needs a lot of repairs, or maybe they're behind on payments, send them this video or give them my phone number. I may be able to help them. Okay? Until then, have a great day.